Hey there, welcome. Today, I want to chat with you about something that has truly changed the way I travel. Introducing the Level 8 Trunk Luggage, a 28-inch suitcase that is not only stylish but incredibly functional too. Whether you're a frequent flyer or just planning for your next big adventure, this luggage is a game changer. Let's talk about who this suitcase is for. If you're someone who travels often, whether it's for work or play, this Level 8 trunk luggage is perfect for you. It's also great for families who need a reliable and durable suitcase for their vacations. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty details. One of the standout features of this luggage is its spinner wheels. These wheels make maneuvering through crowded airports a breeze. No more struggling with a suitcase that refuses to cooperate. The Level 8 trunk luggage glides effortlessly. And let's not forget about the luminous textured design. Not only does it look super sleek, but it also makes your luggage easy to spot on the baggage carousel. No more accidentally grabbing someone else's suitcase. This one stands out in all the right ways. Oh, and did I mention the TSA lock? That's right, this luggage comes equipped with a TSA-approved lock, giving you peace of mind, knowing that your belongings are secure during your travels. Now, let's talk about how you can use this luggage. The 28-inch size is perfect for longer trips where you need to pack a bit more. The hard shell construction ensures that your items stay protected throughout your journey. And with multiple interior compartments, keeping everything organized is a breeze. I know you might be thinking, well, how does this compare to other luggages? Let me tell you, I've tried my fair share of suitcases, and the Level 8 trunk luggage surpasses them all. The quality and durability are unmatched, making it a standout choice in the world of luggage. Here's a tip from someone who's used this luggage countless times: make use of the expandable feature. Need a little extra room for souvenirs on your way back? Just expand the suitcase for some extra space. To wrap things up, if you're in the market for a reliable and stylish suitcase that will make your travels a breeze, look no further than the Level 8 trunk luggage. Trust me, once you experience the ease and convenience of this suitcase, you'll never want to travel without it. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your travel game today with the Level 8 trunk luggage. Your next adventure awaits.